I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be reviewing the unit from Victoriaswig, and so give you like a starter pack, which is very handy. So their packaging is very cute, as you can see right here. So they sent me this kinky straight unit, and I love this unit, you guys. It looks absolutely amazing. The unit was made with quality HD lace, which is suitable for all skin tones, and the unit comes with a small knots that are hardly detectable. Like seriously, when they're bleached, you can't really tell that this is a lace wig. It looks also realistic and so natural. So the unit comes also pre-plugged, and the knots are bleached, and it is also pre-parted. So the unit also comes with a detachable elastic band, so you can actually adjust it like as you prefer. I'm just gonna go ahead and start personalizing my unit, you guys. Like seriously guys, because this unit comes ready-made already, like ready to go, I did not do much to this unit, you guys. You'll see in this video, I just styled it. So as you can see guys, this hair doesn't tangle. It is easily detangled. As you can see, I'm just brushing it and the brush just glides through. So I'm just showing you guys like what the lace looks like before I even attach it. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It blends with my skin tone like I had not even done anything. So for extra security, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my unit down, as you can see right here. So yeah, I hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this video. I so love how the HD lace is melting and blending with my own skin tone. Like guys, what wig? Like wow, this is just amazing.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories. It's time, racing all these broken dreams tonight.
So yeah, I was just too lazy to do the baby hairs kind of stuff. So some parts of the video you might be able to see that I did not lay the baby hairs, obviously, because you can see parts of the lace showing, but I just wanted to do this unit quickly. Sometimes you don't have to do the baby hairs, you guys, like seriously, it's not necessary all the time. I just did touch up just where my parting is, and that was it. Like seriously, your girl was lazy. Okay. I'm using my hot comb just to define my parting a little bit more. I'm also using my flyaway tamer. Gonna go ahead, you guys, and create like a curl at the front just on one side, because I felt like it did look a bit flat to me. Like I just didn't like the way it was looking. So yeah, you can actually go ahead and curl the whole hair. It does take in the heat so well, you guys. This hair is just amazing. I just love that it looks so natural. I just love that it's got like some amazing texture. The unit is amazing, it's fabulous. I love that it fits so snug onto my head, and I just love that you can wear it without the glue, and you can wear it with the glue as well, whichever way you prefer. This unit did not tangle. It does have a little bit of shading, but it's not that, you know, serious. The quality on this unit, you guys, is just amazing, and I just love that this unit comes ready for you guys. Like seriously, who doesn't need that? Let me know what you think on this unit in the comment section down below. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.